Okay, hi again.
Um, so what do you think we should do in this one?
Um,
I don't have much gems anymore. I have 435.
I had 2,080.
How?
I was saving them because I didn't buy anything.
Do you want to go to the trading party?
Okay.
We're probably not going to get anything, though. But we can play the little claw machine for gifts. To try and get stuff like rings.
So
Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Yes.
So you had to try and get a gift.
Doing it? Almost.
Dang it! I
Yes.
got almost.
I like to go to the edges for some reason. No.
Okay, how do you get stuff in this game?
You just have to put the claw down and sometimes you grab stuff.
Yes! I got a wreath necklace.
Lucky.
Are those rare or something?
No, I just feel lucky because you actually got something.
Oh.
This is my fourth try, and now this is my fifth.
Almost. Yeah, right. You don't even know if it's close. Okay, I'm getting...
I'm gonna try in the middle, and then there should be one by now.
There should be one by now. Okay.
What?
Okay, I'm done playing this game.
I'm trying one more time. Put on what you got after I do this because I want to see it.
Okay.
They just randomly like spawn in, I guess.
Oh my gosh, I look so weird wearing it.
Oh my god, that's like my 12th try. This is my last try. If I don't get it, I'm gonna be really angry. Oh my god. Okay, where are you? I don't see it.
Oh wait, I think... Do we have to get out of the trading party?
We're not even in the same one.
Yeah.
Come to mine.
I can't, it's too full.
Okay, let me try yours then. Here's this full too. Oh wow. It doesn't say that you're wearing the hat. Here, put it on your trade so I can see what it looks like. We don't have to trade though. And then tell me once you got it on. I'm just gonna try this again because it's getting really annoying. No.
There, I put it on my trade.
Hold on.
I
just
think.
want to try this one. How do you know it's almost? It's not. Not even close. Yes! Oh my god, finally!
You finally got something?
Yeah. I'm gonna look at your trade to see what you got. Oh, that. I got these, like, shin pads. They look so retarded. Of course they're in pink. So let me put them on my trade so you can see what they look like.
Okay.
Trade list. Add item. There, they're on. I decided to put them on my bunny. I want to see what this person has on trade.
Dang it! I'm not playing that anymore.
Oh, that's a member thing, so I won't be able to wear it anyways.
Prince Braveheart.
What?
He only has one thing on his trade list. Okay, let me
Oh,
check
that's
yours.
awesome. Heat. I just got another one. I'm gonna try in the same spot because sometimes that works. Yes!
What about
I
Fuzzy?
keep getting fancy top hats though. So I can... Oh, we might have to trade for one more. Okay, so that spot's done. I'm finally getting some. I got 3. Like, so far.
Huh? What happened? Okay, people, put stuff on your trading list.
You want me to?
No, I'm asking other people too. Oops.
Okay,
Oh, he has a lot of stuff on his trade list.
I got a few top hats. I got a white one and orange one. I'm gonna send you the orange one. Well,
Okay.
we have to trade it because non-members can't accept the gifts.
Trade for...
Whatever. I'm just addicted to this game. What is that right there? That looks like it's something. But I can't get. Can't go right under it.
To every trade she says yes. I can get a game then.
Who's calling me?
Yes!
Okay, I'll pause this.
Okay, I'll pause it too.
One. Okay, we're back. And I got horned leg pads again.
I got a game.
You got what?
I got a game.
Oh. Which one was it? The dress up?
No, it was the Skyview, I think.
Oh.
What does that Skyview thing do?
Yeah. My bunny looks like a boy. I'm gonna put her tiara back on. There's seriously nothing good that you can get.
Pandas are endangered.
What?
Pandas are endangered.
No! They can't be.
I'm gonna be a panda to help them. Dana, I can't, because they're
Pandas on
endangered.
here are ugly though. I'm going to... But yeah, one time my den was on Epic Dens. I miss those days. I
Stop
want to
messaging me,
go...
Skywolf. Jeez.
I want to go play the stuffy claw machine. I want to get stuffed animals for my den. I forget where it is though. I think it's over here.
Fuzzy.
Yeah.
Frozen. Buddy. A fuzzy frozen buddy. No thanks.
Oh yeah.
Fuzzy happy
I want
buddy.
to turn up the
Fuzzy.
volume on here so like... Or maybe not. I wanted to do it so I could hear if I got something. So I want to get either a lion or like a... No, not a fox. A raccoon or something like that.
Fuzzy
or like
strong
cheetahs. There's kangaroos! I want a cute one.
Fuzzy strong claw. Bye. I'm a tiger now. Rawr.
I don't know what second animal I want to get. By endangered, does that mean that they're probably going to leave here?
Yeah, I think.
Wait, oh yeah, the koalas, okay. I don't know if I want to get a panda or like a wolf. The animals I used to have were a raccoon, a fox, a wolf, a horse, an alligator, an elephant.
There we go.
I did have a rhino at one point. I basically had all of them. I'm gonna make a juice. Who's calling? I bet same person? Yep. I'll be right back. I'm going to get a strawberry smoothie. I used to have this in my room too. I used to also have a Cocoa machine.
Where's the fuzzy thingy-majigger, the like,
The what?
I don't know what it's called.
I wish you could like play until you win.
Yes, I got something.
You got a stuffy?
I got horned leg pads. Guess I'm gonna try again.
Oh my god, all I freaking want is a stuffed animal. A cute one, not a freaking elephant or something. Oh, there's eagles too! Give me a good one, come on.
Okay, where's that fuzzy thingy-majigger? That fuzzy claw.
The stuffed animal claw.
Yeah, stuffed animal claw.
Come to where I am. And then go into the building. That's what I'm trying to play right now. But it's a complete waste of time basically because none of it's working.
I'll give you one if I get one. Which one do you want?
Well, like, I want well, there's quite a few ones that I like because I've never seen them before.
I got a wolf. Do you want that?
No.
Okay.
But if you don't want it, I will. I want like a kangaroo or an eagle or something.
I got 2 in a row, jeez. Do you want a horse?
Yes.
Okay.
Don't send it to me though, we have to trade.
Okay.
Because I won't be able to accept it. Try it under here. If you get one, try to go on the same floor again because sometimes there's like 2.
Okay, so do they just spawn randomly then?
Yeah. Okay, I got one.
Okay.
A wolf. What color wolf did you get?
I think I got a green.
I got a gray one.
Okay, trade.
Oh, I got a seal.
Should you put it on your trade list?
Yeah, just for a minute.
I'm gonna put it on my trade list as well.
I just want to make sure I like clear this place out if there's any more. Which there probably won't be, but there's a good chance.
Oh wait, I got a purple wolf.
Okay.
And a green horse.
We'll see. Ooh, I did get another one. Panda. We're getting all like the basic ones. Got another one. Bunny!
Seriously, they think they can make this game hard without picking the wrong fruit.
Oh, my video ended.
It did? Oh shoot, I had to end mine too. Bye guys.